Hey guys, Ryan here from thecoolerbox.com, and today I wanted to answer the question, is the Coleman Xtreme 5-day cooler watertight and airtight? So I've just finished an ice test challenge with this cooler, so it is a little over half full of water. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the beers that I had in there for the ice test challenge. I will probably be drinking these or some of these tonight, maybe not all of them. We'll see how we go. Let's go ahead and take those out. Now we want to test if this thing is airtight and watertight. So if it's not watertight, it's not going to be airtight. So let's go ahead and shut the lid. I'm going to keep pressure on the lid to keep it closed, and we're going to see if this leaks at all. So let's go ahead and put it on the side. And I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you should be able to see that. But this thing is just leaking water incredibly. There is a lot of water coming out of this. Now let's go forward and see how we go on the front. We can see water leaking out of there, and on the side, there's a lot of water leaking out there as well. I'll lift it up for you to see. It's like a waterfall. So the Coleman Xtreme 5-day cooler did really well. It actually won my ice test challenge against the Yeti, the Pelican, and the Engel cooler. So it did really well, but it doesn't have a rubber gasket inside, and it doesn't have anything holding it down. There's no latches on the lid. It's just held down with friction. So if this does tip on the side, as you can see, it's going to leak water. The Coleman Xtreme 5-day cooler is not watertight, and it is also not airtight. So it's something just to think about when you're purchasing it. Be careful, make sure this doesn't fall on its side, because it will leak everywhere if there's water in it, and air is going to get into this thing. You can't avoid it. I hope that answers your question. This is a great cooler that performs really well for just $40 or $50 from Amazon.com. I'll leave the links in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. I highly recommend it. I really love this cooler. You can also check out the review of this cooler by going to thecoolerbox.com/extreme. That's XTREME, and I've written a full review over there. So go ahead, check out links in the description below, and until next time, stay cool.